Hello, hello. And Max seems good. I should not jump scare. I'm kidding. Actually, right before I started streaming, it played like the longest eerie sound. Oh my goodness. How's everyone doing? We'll get started in just a moment. The thumbnails have been getting good. Yeah, I've got some good ones recently. uh, how's everyone doing? It's been a bit. I have actually been a bit busy with 2.9 speedrun practices. I've not been able to play much, but it's mainly just noting and writing stuff down because that run is meant to be the practice and test run, right? So there is so much to write down, but yeah. So I've been a bit busy with that. Let me equip my night vision, take away a bit of immersion. Maybe I turn it off if I'm here, but it's a little annoying if we use this lens. I could put it away. Can you put this? Oh, there is a lens case. Is it a bauble though? It doesn't look like a bauble. It uses belt, so it better be a bauble. So let's go try that out real quick. Everyone's good. How we doing? Yesterday I went to watch Project Hail Mary. It's a movie that came out. That was really good. Really, really good. If you've not watched that, highly recommended. Yep, we just escaped the backrooms. Let's see if we can equip this. It might be just belt spoil. Yeah, no, I'm not spoiling anything. Don't worry. It's really good though, man. Oh, there we go. It is. Oh, wow. Okay, nice. Oh, you're reading the book. I heard it's really. No, okay. I can't say anything. I won't say anything. Okay. But I can use F10 for night vision. It will be annoying if we go cross dim though. The only reason I use the lens is because Ender IO one, if you go through cross dim, it resets. So it's off here. Oh, okay, nice. I can still use it. So maybe we'll just have night vision on. We lose a little bit of the immersion, you know, but so let's try this. Eerie. It's not called eerie. I swear it's called something. The scary music sound. And it's gotta be like very obvious here too. I'm pretty sure it is quite obvious. But let's quickly look through. Wow, that is. Never mind. There's only a few pages. Oh, maybe I have to hit all ear. That's still not all. Okay. All right. Anyways, let's talk. I have been building a little bit. Is it cave? It might be cave something. It's a very little bit, but you know. Nope. It is set to 0. How's it still playing? But void. Yeah. Oh god. Is that gonna? I hope that doesn't trigger copyright. Shit. Okay, man. Let's rejoin. Imagine I get a copyright streak on the stream now. Shit. Anyways, cave. Yeah, I don't think it's not copyright. Yeah, it probably isn't because it's used too much. Okay, is it void? No, it's good. It's good. Recommend anything because I can't find it. All right. Hello, Diary. Okay. Yeah, it's only a little bit, and I don't know how I want to really build it yet fully out. I do want to build some iconic areas though. Obviously, I should say it is the back rooms, you know. This is the back rooms. I really wanted to do something like this. Finally, we have the chance to. PDM is perfect, I think, for something like this, right? Where we can build an enclosed area, kind of like a maze. So yeah, that is going to be the theme we are going to be going for. Tofucorp. I posted in MCorp Discord, because we also have a Tofucorp newsletter there. Posted, after some legal and safe research, Tofucorp has finally found some free real estate to expand more machineries for the growing factory. So yeah, that's gonna be the backrooms here, and I'm gonna try to build today the universals here, and I am actually not sure how I want it to look, because the thing about the backrooms is it's really not predictable, right? You don't really know how it's gonna be, but I guess we'll just assume there happened to be a very big flat area, flat open room, right? Or if anything, we could split up parts, but yeah, let's at least get building on the floor, and we can talk while we're doing this. I did also go ahead and make this specific wand. This is, I think 4096, nope, 8192 blocks, so it is a pretty big one. That's the biggest one we can make right now. So yeah, that is the exact same wand I used for the floors, because yeah, otherwise this one's too small. I hate the controls for this thing though. It's so bad. Oh my god, I almost misclicked that. I would have actually been mad. Oh, I should probably change mode to be only horizontal, but we'll just take it slow. Let's take it slow. Infinitely expanding pocket dim. Yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect. Wand oops. Oh really? You need to run this. Oh, in my hand. Oh, thank you. See, I thought that wasn't in this version, because I know there was something like that in modern, I believe. Or no, I think in modern it's just a hotkey. In older ones, this one specifically, it's a command. Okay. Yo, okay. How many times can I do it? Let's test it. Oh, once. Okay. Well, we tested that pretty fast. Good to know. Good to know. Let's not mess that up. The last click, yeah. So if we do it twice real fast, it's over. Okay, yeah, it's built into the wand, which I love. And I love the modern one because you can use backhand too, which I first learned from Alfred GG's video. Man, that thing is so useful. I hope they can do it for NH2 though, because I assume, because now that we have offhand, it might be possible, but I guess it really depends on how the code, because if we can't edit it, then it's very hard to. But example, Thumbcraft. Okay, so let's get this area. I am probably gonna expand a few lava things going this way, and then we'll probably figure out something here. But let's do universal not too far from the main area, because I think it is gonna be one of those cooler things I want to show off. Let's see. I want a tiny gap here for no reason. Oh, and oh man, I had another idea too, because we can't really go down. That was one mistake I made with this base, because it's void and it is Y0 right here. But I will probably just go up also, where is over here. And what I was thinking is we can make use of this roof, and we can make the next floor a pool room. Right, and it's gonna be a pretty tall floor, because I think pool rooms is relatively tall. Normally, we can have shorter areas, but I think this floor we can reuse pretty much as the floor, because guess what? This tile pretty much works out perfectly. So yeah, we're reusing the build here and there. I think it is gonna be quite cool. Let's talk about the main base real quick. Let's actually go back and see if I'm missing anything. Again, I've not been on much, so there honestly might not be much at all. I'm trying to remember what changed. Oh, I guess we can check how rich we are now. I guess we'll do that when we go back. Yeah, I've not built much here, much at all. There really might just not be anything much new. I did try to automate the Ender IO stuff, so maybe we can do that real quick. Yeah, let's actually do that real quick, because I do want EEC's soon TM. There's only 26 channels there. Oh man, channel's so annoying. Especially when you gotta use P2P, since we don't have multis for everything. And there I'll probably put at the front, because it will stay a while. So let's actually do it here. This is 24 channels too, so should be easily enough. We'll use 4 channels right here. Yeah, we are just chilling. Today will be a roughly 3-ish hour stream. So not super long, but not short either. So we should be good. And I do want to get Universal's 100% finished today. So we will be relatively hard focusing on that. Let's make more of you. EV diode. What machines? Pretty much anything that it makes sense for. But I think I will do it for the benders too, because I do think that could be fun. Because yeah, I think it'll be pretty fun. And the design I have, oh, I'm pretty excited about design. And I did mention it that it is. I've been just trying out my own design, so. But it is pretty much similar to every other design. So I think when you guys see it, it'll make sense why I say that. Because there really isn't too much you can do. In the end, it is just a cell swap design. So when we get to that, you will see. Let's just go actually right side first. Also, my game sounds broken. Refresh. Oh no, it's because I muted it earlier. The nyan. Okay. Also, I forgot to record my last stream, so I have to download that if I ever get back to video editing, which, God, I hope I have time for. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna do some 4x steel back here. Boom, boom. Let's actually dig out a bit of an area. And we're actually gonna do... Oh, right, it's still over here. I'm looking at the cow and lost in thought. I made the Enderman one, cow, make the Enderman. Oh my god, is sound louder? Or I'm going crazy. The design should be, yeah, it should be the same. I posted it once on NH Discord, so let's just set everything to default, and then we can do that. All right, let's get some soul binders, which is right here. Grab these two. And I did actually make the next tier of capacitors. So we were using octadic ones before, but I am now using this crystalline one, which they're all pretty damn cheap. It's just some crystalline alloy and everything else is cheap, at least for our standards. And then we'll use a slice and splice. Maybe we should parallel this too for the extra memes. You are powered, right? I didn't check you. Yes, you're powered. And we're chilling. One EV amp should easily handle, yep, 4K RF. For some reason in NH, EU to RF is 1 to 3.6 RF. So it is quite funny. Let's get some vials. I have not patterned that. I probably patterned it and I removed it. Which, speaking of which, there is one major change, which I should have done this ages ago. Finally, we're not using the old crafter. The good old pedestal crafter that is removed. I have taken everything out and put it into our molecular assemblers, which we'll show off in a moment. Let's get everything. I did add a nugget mold today just because I wanted to fully pattern Ender IO. I really don't want to touch Ender IO by hand anymore. If we have access to autocrafting, we really should just autocraft it. This one is P2P, so let's get that going. And then we should have fuse quartz, right? That might even be in the EBF. Yes, 256 batch. Okay, cool. And then we'll just grab some normal interfaces. We don't need fluid version. And I don't know why I like to do full block version sometimes, but we're doing full block today. Full block factory. Then let's see. So these guys, we're just gonna toss. I'll just request, I don't know, 1,000 men. We'll just toss some in there. Honestly, oh right, they need to get connected. They don't really need, yeah, we'll just give them higher tier. Oh my, okay, you're getting nothing, bro. Oh, yeah, maybe it just gets a basic capacitor. What the hell is this, Enderman? Why is that 45k RF per tick? Full blocks are nice. Yeah, I do like full blocks. Oh yeah, I can handle that. Okay, so we'll just do that for Enderman. Don't know why you're like that. Okay, and then can we? No, it's not like Greg Tech. We'll just do this. I don't remember if it needed to be both modes. I think push works, so we'll just try it out. I already made the patterns, so we'll just toss it in there, toss it in there. And then I am too lazy to make this look nice. So we're just gonna toss that there. Boom, boom. To put the fluids in, and we're good. We can test it now. A vibrant. Nope, ender crystal. Go. Hooray! It works. It put it in, and then we have the export going up, so it should be chilling. Let's also grab all the splice and slice recipes. Slice, splice. Yeah. We don't need that. We need you. Oh, we also need to put... Actually, no, we have tools in here. I think we need you. We need this for gate, but we don't need it. We'll also pattern this, might as well. We can't make it till next tier, IV, but might as well get it patterned. We don't need an Enderman thing. Oh yeah, so we should be chilling. Let's just say, hey, can you give me 3064? You're missing heads. I knew it was going to be missing heads, damn. Let's just try it out. Boom, it goes. Okay, cool. Let's also put the good cap in here. Oh, easy. That's like 0 power. That should be chilling. All right. Everything Ender IO is ready, so that's cool. No more touching that by hand. Yeah, let's just go show off the molecular assemblers. This guy has been retired fully. No more things down here. In fact, this P2P is just kind of useless now. In fact, I'll just take it out because this area is too small for anything anyways. But we are... I'm just going to leave it here as like a memory's sake, and I took out all the upgrades here. But we are now using this molecular assembler tower here. And I put 5 per floor. One touches 3, which should be enough for pretty much everything. And then if anything's too slow, we'll use machines for it, which we shouldn't need to change anything to that until we're in like ZPM or something. So yeah, we should be pretty cool. But yeah, keeping your old builds for decoration, I think is very valid. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. It's like memory's sake. That's still why we have the Coke Tower, except there's a bit of a difference. You may notice it is missing something because it is now just the full rail craft block instead, the same texture block. So we don't have 14,500 something tile entities here. I did leave the top one though. So that's pretty good. Hopefully it's like less MSPT, but yeah. I don't know. It probably did change something, but we're going to leave it here as memory's sake, right? It's that same type of deal, except this one we have to change. Actually, are we going down? I think I disconnected. Yeah, I disconnected everything because I found there was nothing really important that used it, so we should be good. This, I think I already turned off all the time with clock ages ago. There's going to be a lot of stuff where I pretty much have it disabled at this point. But yeah, base has settled down so much lately that we're kind of in chill mode. Surprisingly, you know, resources have been very good for us. And another thing is like this thing, which is going to be our main EV and IV, well, I guess IV resources. Because this guy has made almost 300k tungsten, which is insane. I probably used 20k already, so yeah, it's at least made 300k tungsten. How much radon? Only 45 mil, not much, because it's still on like probably EVM or something. Yeah, I think it is on EVM now that I think about it. Yeah, not too much. But things are doing quite well. Okay. Yeah, this thing's surprisingly good. Would I recommend it outside Project Singularity? Probably not, because... Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention this the first time I showed this. These guys, when I say they use filters, they do get consumed, right? So I do have this interface with a crafting card making it. And thankfully they're made in batches of 16, and it's really not bad at all. It's mainly just carbon input. If you ignore like the pico ingot of steel, everything else is really cheap. And this guy pretty much makes everything that needs to go into making the filter. So it uses a bit of tantalum, but this makes tantalum, right? So it kind of works out. Just a lot of carbon mesh, but really not bad at all. And it's not like, it's not used one durability per like cycle. You can see this one's still at 32 uses. I'm actually not sure how the durability is used, but it's really slow. So we're chilling. I'm also gonna go ahead and duct tape. because I think it's been a while since I've maintained this. There's probably some off, which I'm not too worried about because we don't even make lava for all of these at once. We make actually less lava than needed. Crafting card? I know. Ugh, heresy. Okay, fine. I'll put a maintainer here. Maintainer. Boom. 16. Server saved. We're gonna be at 1000 TPS now. And run 50 times faster than normal speed. Okay, so let's see. Universal. We're gonna come into the back rooms, and this I'm not sure how I want to do it, but I want there to be like an entrance point, right? Maybe it's just gonna be a stairway, but there's gonna be some sort of entrance point, and then we look this way, and there's gonna be our universal room. So I want like an entrance going into the room area. Maybe this will curve off the tiny. Oh yeah, I forgot. I hate that this thing has. You know what? I think it's time for the shovel to make a comeback. There it is. This thing has no valid tool, so it actually takes it to mine. I have to use matter manipulator to break it, but that gets annoying. Doorway. We could maybe. The woolen clay is so nice. Yeah, breaking it is so annoying. It's like if I want to break it in big area, I have to like use meta manip. Let's see, how wide is this? 7 wide? We could just do like, I guess we'll do 15, so it's at least centered somewhere. Wait, fast place is on. And it is the back room, so we don't have to follow, you know, a traditional like, oh, like it has to be this way type of building style. We can just do whatever I want and I can just call it off. Oh, so good, isn't it? Why is it saying finish placing blocks? Why is it saying that in chat? I don't like that. Yeah, why did I reset it too? There we go. It's got that built. Also, why'd I build it this year? It's gonna be an open room. Okay, there we go. Then we can just close this off maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna connect this build to the backrooms area, but we'll figure that out. Maybe it's like connected to the pool rooms upstairs and there's a big wall here. I don't know. Okay, so we'll grab this one and let's build up the wall. Thankfully, building up the wall, very easy. And we can do the same for here. And I have patterned all the woolen clay stuff. I actually used yellow chemical dye because I was too lazy to see if it's going to be too slow or too fast. So I am actually using the Chembath recipe, which I did make the multi for that weekend. Hopefully that should be chillin'. Wave emoji. All right, so here we are. We entered this way and boom, universal room. It's gonna be a pretty big room. And honestly, I don't know how I want to do this exactly yet. So let's assume, let's grab some hempcrete blocks and let's think. So let's assume we have some machine here that's a quad. And the design does allow for it. So if it's a machine that only needs item input, we can wall share the input bus. Let's say we have like a quad machine here, a sharing point. I wanted something that uses wall markings. And I think this would look sick because I saw someone do something in NH Discord do it and it looks so nice. But what they essentially had is they had like a panel, right? They had like a panel, something like this. And like maybe this says the word macerator with the wall markings, and then each layer has circuit numbers. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3. It's like ME drive terminal, ME drive terminal, just going up. And I think that was so cool that I wanted to do something similar because it just looks so clean too, right? You've seen that? Yeah, it's really clean. And I'm thinking we could do something similar, but I don't want it to be too futuristic because I feel like it wouldn't match the theme here. So maybe something a bit more hard set. Although I don't know how I would do that, but I think that could be cool. So we'll figure out something like that, but not so futuristic, right? And I have been thinking about how I wanted to do some things because we could have literally a thing that looks like a PC, like a built PC, and we could even use like standalone. Is there actually like a PC for it? No, probably not. But like standalone thing, and then we can even have like insulated wires running through the floor just to make it look like it's actually cabled up. And I think that's gonna be really cool. So that would be pretty cool too, right? And like even having things like that to match along like the input area for our patterns, I think that could make it fit in a bit more because now it looks like some sort of research machines, right? So I think that's gonna be pretty cool. So we'll figure that out today as we build. But the main thing I need to figure out is make sure the universal works too, because I have only tested it in creative testing. So we'll see. Let's actually take this out. I'm trying to think. Why are you making the backrooms? We got all the space. Rumor has it to just somewhere out there. It should work. And even if it doesn't, it has an editable version. So like I have a backup. So we should be fine. It is gonna need to go under the ground for some cabling. I mean, we could do it all over ground, I guess. I should actually, you know what we should do is let's grab all the machines we're gonna do universal for. And we can kind of look through and skim through things. And first thing I really want to do is large cam. Actually, before doing all this, let's request 64 quad hatches. Okay, now I feel safe. Let's also request 64 super buses. And okay, I already have a stack of you. Good. But let's also request like 100 of you. All right, now I feel safe. Let's look through the recipes because there should be stuff like what do we want to do universals for. We cannot do assembler yet. We cannot do circuit assembler. There's a whole area for moleculars. Okay, wow, this is so much smaller than I thought. Oh, because that's why. ABS. Yes, I would like universal for ABS. But I'd have to move all the ABS here too. Maybe we don't do universal for ABS. We'll see. We'll see. We'll move that last, if anything, because it's not like we need crazy amount yet. Scroll through. There's a lot of stuff we still don't have access to, like the solidifier multi, mixer multi, which I would love universal for, but can't. Heil multi, I would also love universal for that, but we don't have. Don't need for alloy smelter. Can't do assembler. Bender, we will definitely be doing just for the extra memes. So let's highlight that. BBB, canner, nope. Canbath, nope. Okay, circuit assembly or compressor, nope. Cutter, nope. Extruder is interesting, but we don't have access to it. Okay, this might only be like a few things. Oh god, is it really? Oh, okay, LCR, yes. 100% give me LCR. Late, nope. Yeah, no, we're not doing mega EBF. We only need one mega EBF till forever at this point, just because we're gonna be making stupid power. Big section for moleculars. Nothing. Polarizer. Okay, wow. That's it. What? That's it? That's it, bro. 3. Wait, 3. Did you not see the EBF we have? This guy. We don't need more than what we have, man. Alright, I guess we only need a whole 4. Yeah, we could prepare an area. I think that is true. Let's just quest like 100 EBHs. Where the hell did it go? That's dynamo. You haven't seen anything? Alright. You ready? Oh, I was just going, but tungsten. I don't need more tungsten. Oh, it's gonna take a while to mix, isn't it? Oh, it's got an autoclave, man. Now, what's a good one? Something that doesn't need mixing and takes a long time. Everything needs mixing. Vibrant actually mixes really fast, but it might be mixing. Oh, that's too fast. It was too fast. Dash? I don't even know if we have dash. Oh, we actually do have dash. I think I could. It's whatever. It is too fast. Oh well, it's still tungsten acid. That's why. Did I not multiply? Oh. Ah shit! It's 1 ticking recipes. Stop mixing. What are you mixing? Why is the mixer stuck? Why is the mixer stuck? Oh, you're going now. Oh, it's probably okay. It actually is just doing that. I legit can't show anything. Come on. Also, I need to make sure I don't over pull M's. Oh, okay. Because we're at that point where oh yeah, I was charging these again. We're at that point where I think I'm pulling pretty close to 128 amps. And I do have a solution, which I think this is pretty cursed, but it's also pretty funny. So let's wait till crafts are done, because I don't want multis to fail, because that will void. And I think I will also take out some stuff here, because we definitely don't need some of these. Oh, we should really take out all the... Yeah, I really should take out all the HV gens. Oh, is it doing tungsten steel? Oh, there we go. 3 right there. 7 million EU on our mega EBF. And look at the stupid amp count. Oh my god. LESU, yeah, the tech is, they're bugged, so they hold 9 point. I don't even know, man. 9018. 747. Oh my god. All this guy sees. He's always looking for the opportunity. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna cancel tungsten steel. What's oh, I haven't set it to 256. Wait, I thought I did. Oh, it's cooling down, that's why. Okay, dealers still need EBF. It's gonna turn you off. Let's reform the base a bit. If it's only 2 universals I have to set up, we have so much time. In fact, I might hop on speedrun today if we have the time, so we can kind of show it on stream too. Because I haven't had the chance to show it. I haven't had the chance to stream it yet. So today could be the day. I don't remember which pipe is. Where is this going to? Oh, it's going to all titanium. I think I am gonna tear all this down too. Let's actually make a magnet card. One of my favorite items. And hopefully it becomes more used, because I think most people don't know about this item. You know what? Let's do something funny. I'm gonna say, give me that. Neodymium. Because I don't want to pattern this. I am not gonna need more than one of this. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna make. Why is you taking 30 years, man? Let's do this. Okay, let's not do that. All right, let's do this. 3's heading out. Gotta go fish for what? Is this some skyblock shit? It's gotta be skyblock. Let's do this. What? Oh my god, some recipes grabbing it immediately. It's this guy. Oh, the stupid. Oh, just cook. Just give me the rods now. I don't want to wait. I don't care. Wait, I could have just held it on me and not put it in. Am I stupid? Don't answer that. Is this gonna power fail? Don't power fail. Ah, shit. Sound of misery. Come on, I just need you to go. You can do it. Oh. It would have been faster to just run to my polarizer. What am I doing? I want it right here. I don't want to move. Alright, we got it. Alright, anyways, all that for a magnet card. Alright, I put this... Oh my god, it's... I forgot the universal one already has it built in. You don't even need it. You don't even need it. It's just right there. It's already on, man. Okay, you just turn on. There's 3 modes. We're going to pick up to AE. So anything we pick up goes into AE. Anyways, yeah, pretty cool item, huh? Well, if you don't have the universal wireless card, you will need, or universal terminal, you will need the card. So now you know. But anything, you know, we're gonna just put it in AE anyways, might as well just dump it into AE as we're taking it down. Really good for stuff like this. I guess it's still using. Also, I'm just gonna void all the cetane. I don't care. That's for the stab alloy stuff, which, yeah, no, we're fine. We have 4 million uranium. The radon's gonna take 20 years to process all that. So I guess there's nothing that uses cetane here anymore, which is cool. Right, I think. Oh, also, I should have been a bit more careful around here, because if I disconnect something here and I don't realize, it's gone into AE and I wouldn't realize. Let's hope I didn't break anything here. Okay, finally. No more HV hatch, right? Can we Y search HV hatch? Yes. So we can double check. We didn't take off any. I'm not Y searching any, so we should be good. Can I just do this? Yep. And their creeper. Okay, so that should be good. Yay. 3 seconds for neodymium. Oh, and did it say EV? I forgot to check that. I think it did, right? Oh, UEV. It says UEV. It doesn't even like say EV. It just skips it. Okay, nice. Waiting for kitchen sink modpack. One day when I have more free time. I just don't have much free time right now. It's too much IRL and in-game too. Alright, let's fix up this area real quick too. It shouldn't take long. Just do this. Let's make sure I'm not killing anything there. Yep. Okay, cleaned up, cleaned up. So why was I there for again? Just to show the 3 thing, right? Right, I want to change this too. Yes, that's why I was here. So what I'm thinking is right now what I'm doing is I have this IV transformer going into 2 EV transformers, 128 amp worth of EV going into P2P, right? Which works. And I like this because you can check the average amp. The problem is if we pull too much EV, I think this is going to burn, right? And I do want to overclock the LCRs a ton. And we have a few options. We could just transform down from LUV, which is honestly what I might do. Now that I mentioned that, now I really think I should do that. Shoot. All right, I think I'm just gonna do that. So okay, never mind. No problems here. Let's go ahead and grab me. Let's see. Yeah, there's so much channels here. I just don't know if this is gonna be our main LES shoe. I guess we can shift the input P2P later using advanced P2P card. So we can just shove this here. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's do this. And I'm gonna name it LUZ. LUV. Loof. Okay. Next time we connect things, we gotta make sure to not connect it to you. we gotta double check. What is your death count? It's always been 33. It's not moved since 33 because 3 mentioned twice. I've been trying my best not to die. Let's see. So we should be good, right? Right. I'm just thinking LUV. Yeah. Yeah. I probably should craft me more of these things then. IV lube tress. Integer mentioned? True. Is it 1 to 4? It is, right? Yeah, 1 to 4. So we just need 4 to 16. Which is actually not much, so I might upgrade that. You know what? Let's upgrade that. I have like 16 of these. Should cancel this. No, let's craft like 16 of these too. And a gallium. Did I not pattern that? I thought I did. I might have just batched it. Circuit 11. How long was that? 60. Okay, pretty fast. FBF. Pretty fast. Okay, cool. Love IV trends. We're gonna get this 16 of them. 16 should last us very long time, pretty much, hopefully, to IV. As you're studying, I'm looking for a job. I don't know the job. It's not been going well. I'm not looking into masters too. I don't think I'm going into masters. Okay, that should be chill. Everything else should craft pretty fast. Yeah, that's finishing up pretty much. Yeah, okay, let's go to the back rooms. So do I still have this on? Because I need to turn it off before I forget. Okay. So let's give this pretty big room. I like, if we're planning for future stuff, right? So let's at least do some gap here, 5 gap, and then we'll think about some creative looking builds in front. So let's leave room for that there, and then we'll start putting machines like here, starting here. Then we can always go that way I may close off like the wall here for now, but we can always open it up later, right? But let's start placing the machines at least. And for LCR, we are gonna need to split it up. We can't, because, oh, we could do all in one, huh? Ooh, we actually can do all in one using transvector interface, but it will get very tricky because I need to think about how to get power or redstone. How do you detect redstone for something that is inside a block? So for example, let's say we have LCRs placed like so. That is not the controller. And this is gonna be starting to show how my universal is gonna go. And I'm just gonna form it for now. We can take it out, the blocks. So yeah, LCR here. And I do actually want an 8-hatch LCR, so I will be doing that. But let's say that the universal design I'm using is going to use 2 quadruple hatch, which, yeah, I know it's painful. Super bus, because that is the biggest bus we can do. If we have a quad, really, we can't do something like this, because that's only sharing between the two, right? So really, the only way you can do this is actually going in the middle here, which works because it touches all 4, and to access the quadruple hatch, what we can do is use... Did my stream end? Why is my YouTube bugged? What happened? Are we good? Oh, that was really weird. My YouTube control like bugged out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the problem now... Let's make the covers first. Fluid cover. Yeah, I made it by hand at one point. I think it was really long ago, but did not pattern it. Let's get this, and then I'll finish saying what I was saying. One of these are, yeah, this is as one, I believe. I am cover. I don't even have it made. Item detector cover. Dude, these pressure plates, man. There's something else. They are something else. We're gonna put it all on the same assembler so this guy can 30 years to craft. Take 30 years to craft. Oh no, we do have it. I'm just blind. But I'll request a stack of both. Because we will be needing them. Oh, we can use wireless. Ah, shoot. Wow, we could use wireless covers. I didn't think about that. Lie? No, I cannot lie, man. Like, I can exaggerate something, but I'm not gonna go too deep into all the job stuff here. But I know it's pretty dumb. It's impossible to show off what you've done, right? But just try your best. So yeah, the problem with this design is you can't really pull out redstone nicely. So I'm thinking we might just do the thing I just showed earlier, like 2 outlets here and do 2 per share. Because like, yes, we can use the transvector interface to put the fluids in, but we can't really detect without using wireless. And I don't know how... Ah, that might be too painful to set up. That just sounds so painful. Does anyone here know how to use wireless cover? Actually, that's a better question. Let's say I have... Yeah, let's say I have 2 wireless fluid detector covers put on the hatches. What do I use to take the redstone in? Because I know there's all these ones. Like, which one's which? How does it work? Is there a quest? Yeah, it is tech. it's buggy. Yeah, I feel like it is a bit weird. So I might not use wireless. Let's just not do wireless. Yeah, I don't wanna risk this breaking. And plus, if we need multiple copies, then let's just not rely on wireless. I think that is gonna be the cleanest deal here. Let's think about 8 hatching cleanly. How the hell do you 8 hatch clean? We could. Should we power machines from top, not hide it? Because I feel like it has some cool looking senses in a way. Like, what if we do something like this to 8 hatch? Is that cool? It works. Thoughts. All honors. Oh yeah, that is actually very nice. Let's just try it real quick, because now I'm curious if it is gonna work or not. We need a lot of AV emitters. Let's just request X16. Should be pretty fast, right? Oh, did I move? Do we even have this patterned? No, I just batched the radon eye. Max B is faster than BM in there's only so much bees can do. Meteors is very fast. Ooh, I forgot to show this off. The only reason I made Cambath is, remember, well, if you watched the last stream, at the end, I mentioned cerium is a problem, right? We either need thousands of bastnite or hundred thousands of rare earth. The problem is we don't end at just 64 cerium. We're probably going to need like 2 to 3 stacks of this stuff for our stupid project. Well, I found another source of cerium that is actually better. So there were 2 ways we saw, right? One is lanthanite from rare earth 1, which as long as we can spend rare earth, doable. 2 is bestnessite. Bestnessite or best... How is it pronounced? Oh, it is actually that. Bestnessite, which is 23,000, which is actually really easy. Until you need like more than 1 stack of this, it gets annoying. So, there's one more thing, and it is actually this one right here. Rare Earth 3 ore, which we can't get, right? Because obviously it's GT++ ore, but we can get how you normally get your rare earth. You get roughly 5.5 of these, and the byproduct actually gives a pretty good amount of cerium dust. Like really good amount in that. Let's assume this is 3 to 5, although it's 5.5, right? If you just roughly take this amount, it's 3 dust to 5 of these to... shoot, I already forgot them. I think it's to 1. So, shoot, is that correct? No, 5. Let's just take 1 crushed earth. Let's just assume 0.1, 0.2%, 0.2%, 0.2%. I'm just gonna add them up. 0.6%. It's close enough, right? 0.6% per 1 crushed. 5.5 times 6.6. Okay, it's roughly 3 to 5 to 3 mentioned. So yeah, 1 to 1 rare earth dust to cerium dust. So instead of needing 190,000, actually yeah, it's only 60,000 because that also gives 3. We save almost 15. No, we save almost like 18x. Yeah, almost 18x rare earth. So we only need 3,840 if we assume 1 to 1. But it is actually better than 1 to 1. So yeah, now it's much doable. In fact, it's pretty much already done because monazite we processed gives 2 to 1 rare earth. So I have 8,000 rare earth right now. Pretty good. The only thing I gotta figure out, where the hell do I put ore pro? Because I said I'm not gonna put it here. I'm actually using VPN right now. Let's see. Boom. Let's use EV superconductor because we're fancy and rich like that. Shoot, I barely made any. Oh, it uses tungsten steel too, but we cook it so fast, so does it matter? No. So how much? 8 amp? Oh, perfect. This is 8 amp right there. 8 amp. How the hell do we make this look nice? We could have EV diode per... No, we need transformers because now we're doing IV Luv. It's just done. IV EV trans. Should we just set up the universal first? I have to look it up because I completely forgot how I built it. But I will remember as soon as I look at it. I sent it at NH Discord. Actually, no, I DM Duck it. Oh, but Duck and I gotta scroll up a bit. Oh, I found it. Okay. All right. So, universal. What is a universal? Well, if you don't know what universal is, if you played NH, you may run into the common issue of, oh my goodness, there's circuits for recipes, right? And it gets pretty annoying to split up, per recipe. And when you need many machines and you have so many circuits you need to split up, it gets really, really annoying, right? So using AE2, you can really create an insane setup where you take some recipe, and this is just an example, right? That comes in, you have a setup that takes it in. For example, let's say this recipe uses those. It processes it, and then it takes out the circuit. So it seems like magic. And there are a few designs that it's quite commonly used. There is a small problem though. Those designs usually use something called stocking buses and hatches. Some use stocking hatch, some don't use stocking hatch because this is gated pretty late. So there's designs that don't use the advanced stocking hatch. But we have neither the bus or the hatch. The bus is pretty early, LUV, and you don't really need like crazy universal setup till like LUV or CPM. So usually people just use this and it's easy. But for us, we're in EV and I want it now. So yeah, how do we do the magic without advanced stocking bus? With advanced stocking bus, it's very simple. You just have one of these cells. So let's take like a 64K cell, ME chest, which let's craft like 64. And then this cell will have like a thing inside, right? Which, let's get let's get AE here because we are gonna need AE anyways. Wireless. Also, am I gonna leave this here? Screw it, we'll just leave this here. This is like 32 times 32 channels max, so we should be chilling. Let's put something below here. And we're probably gonna be going down here a lot, so let's actually dig out a hole. So I don't have to dig it out every time. Make a bit of space. Right, this is not the main net, so I do have to P to P out. Cable. Boom. I hope that was unused. I think that was unused. And just for demonstration's sake, and I do want to demonstrate this because I know this is going to be confusing to anyone newer to this design. We're just going to power it. We're not going to put this on the main net. We're just going to power it using this thing. Hopefully this is not going to be too slow. Oh shoot, isn't that made into LCR too? Alright, pause you. Let's just say make one. Come on. Oh, it's going. Yeah, that's why I want an 8 hatch, because it's so slow. It's on IV amp and it's still slow. I want everything instantly. Create request. Oh yeah, create has a request stuff now. That looks super weird. Okay, it's going, it's going. Just give me one. Come on, man. How slow is this? Wait, what? Oh my god, you're holding on to it? Why are you holding on to it? Just what? What's eating it up? Oh, it's the stupid ME chest. Okay. Also, these are stuck, or are they stuck? No, this one's crafting. Wait, the ME chest is still going? My guy, you gotta finish up. Oh yeah, that took 30 years to demonstrate. So let's grab a chest. Right? Let's say we have a smart system that takes stuff from the chest and then puts it in and out. So the simplest start is like you have a recipe going into here. And that can be done easily just using a subnet, right? Like it would be something like this where you have boom, boom, right? You put your recipe here. When you send the recipe, it puts it into this cell. The circuit would already be here, and let's say you put in 2 items like so. So boom. What we need to do is we actually, I forgot to do this. Let's highlight this cell. This is like the empty version of this cell, right? In here, we're going to have a filter that says only pull out this cell. Oh, sorry, it's the other way. Only pull out anything that is not this cell. So now, oh, I forgot to set you as input. It's going to pull out. Oh, and it has to be on the top side because that is actually relevant. Yeah. Now, any cell with something inside is going to get put into there because, well, it's not empty. There's actually a recipe we need to process in this cell, so it gets pulled out. And then the idea of this is since we don't have an advanced stocking bus and hatch, which would easily let you, just kind of pull out and see all the items, we are going to have to use IO port. And let's just grab 3 red. Actually, let's use green because tofu. Maybe lime. And let's just put some storage buses here. Oh, and we definitely don't want you on mainnet. We're just gonna, for demonstration's sake, just power this net. So something happens, this cell gets pulled out. Hey, I want to run this recipe. Can you just put everything from this cell into this net? Boom, it's here. Let's say the machine kicks on the recipe, so it takes both of these. Now this is empty. We need another IO port. But this time, it's going to have a redstone card, which actually does work in here. Let's say it's active without signal for now, which is going to be on transfer data to cell mode. And then when we have something to detect that recipe is done, we'll say, hey, you need to pull out. And right now we don't really have anything to show the redstone, but hey, you need to pull out, and boom, the cell is out, and we will just send it back into the ME chest. So that is kind of what we're trying to do in a whole. So it may seem confusing at first, but hopefully that at least shows the basic. And I did pretty much step through the whole thing. So now it's really about how the hell do we do that, right? We did it by hand. We need to automate all this. So let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is all of these. Let's say I'm going to put item cover here, fluid cover here, and fluid cover here. And I do need to see if this works, because I don't know. See, we can't put redstone here. So I wonder if we need to put the coil on the bottom, or we could even put it on the back. Right, that's the back, and you are there. Let's put it on the bottom. Actually, we should test it first just to make sure it doesn't send a redstone signal. Because if it does work, we'll just leave it here. Where's my solder? Oh, I see it. Boom, boom, boom. Just grab a good old vanilla lamp. So right now it's at, if it's empty, or energy hatch. Okay, we're gonna actually move it down. Dang, this is annoying. I forgot those have to be non-tile entity because otherwise redstones don't go through them. We don't want to use wireless. Yeah, there you go. Now it kicks off. We'll eight hatch like this. Sure, coil in the middle. Oh yeah, that's true. We should do that. I wanted to see glowing though when it runs. But if it doesn't work, let's hope you work. No, it's not turning on. It's not turning on. You turn on. Okay, so let's put the coils in the middle, but at least this is showing that, hey, it is going through the block, right? The signals. My mem card. Let's break you. Put you in the middle. Unlucky. Nope. PDFE middle. So now we have at least a way to say, hey, there's something in here, and we're actually going to set all of these to 1 tick. It's ready to craft. But this time we're actually going to do 1 on here. So when there's 1 item in there, sorry, when there's 2 items in there, it's on. But I want to say if there's 1 item in here, wait a second. If it's 1 item, I might have flipped it. Is it this way? It's off. And then if there's 2, it's off. Me think. We're so poor. I don't have to. Shit, how do I do this again? I remember it being 1 button. Let's see, let's just think with circuits first, because like, boom, circuit in. I think I use redstone on to say something is in, right? So we don't have to invert these guys. So let's say on means recipe running. So right now it should be on because we'll assume this is some recipe processing. There's a 2. Maybe I'm just being dumb, yeah. Yeah, on and then off. Okay, perfect. We're okay. What was it? Threshold 2, not 1. Yeah. Okay, so we're good. Oh, that's my warp. This whole time, every time I heard an explosion, I thought something actually blew up, but it's just my stupid warp, man. Then let's actually grab... Oh, I want a fancy looking cover. I don't want... Can you put redstone on this? I tried, but I don't think I can. Yeah, because it's transparent. Ooh, I didn't think about a fancy cover to use. Is there like a see-through block? And I did ask in a few places, but I didn't get a response. But I don't think there is a see-through block you can turn into forge micro cover and put redstone on it also. I have no warp. I think it's just the armor. Yeah, like I have no warp. It's just my armor has warp. Emmy's too slow. That's why we have to do this. I think this is going to be too bright. Oh, that is indeed bright. That's just a great wood cover. I don't know, man. Oh. No, something more gray. More machine feel. It's got to give a machine feel. It's got to match AE2. Is there a block that looks like the IO port, but it's just a block? Oh, what block? Skystone? That's not too machine-like. Bit? Oh, bit is a good one. There's probably some chisel one that works too. You know what? I think bit is good. Yes. Let's also quickly look through the other ones. Oh, we could use bit 1. Other than... Yeah, actually, maybe... Oh, it's not connecting though, so we actually want bit 0. Like IO port, but not, yeah. Anyway. And then this... You know what? I think I just realized something. I forgot I don't do the soldering thing. If I remember. Yeah, it's not powering. I remember. I made it even easier design. Because now we just put it on top. We don't even need to solder it. You just set it up and boom. And boom. Yeah, power 1, which is what we want to see. Dude, the creepy sound happened again, man. Ah, yeah, take it. The backrooms. Oh, isn't the movie coming out soon, by the way? A12. Let's go. Backrooms. A12? A24? A12? What the hell? Okay, there we go. 2. We should be good now. Then now, that's it. Except, so this is the input, this is the output. We just need to say, hey, you need, I want some machine casing first. Actually, I think it needs to be a hole. Yeah, that one's not work. That one is just something. We're gonna grab export. We're gonna grab import. You're gonna look for it. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Why is you taking forever? I think you are stuck. I think it's gotta do with the gold plate. I am almost certain you are stuck. What recipe could make it stuck? You're not unblocking. You are not unblocking. Oh. Well, that explains a bit too. Just gonna plunger you. Where you at? Go, my friend. Huh? Okay, yeah, it's not going. I just gotta do that again. Fluid detector cover. Isn't it all in here? It is. Like the pressure plates are doing fine. It's making it. Okay, whatever. I will just cancel this and send it again later. I just want other things to go now. These two should not be stuck though, because I don't think they're in here. Not enough, not enough. I don't see a highlighted interface. EV pump. Is it not up here? Oh, it's down there. Oh, it's over here. Out of all assemblies, I did not expect it to be this guy. Is it a crafting recipe? It's not. Well, it could be. It's not. It's a processing. So why? Whatever. Well, we're gonna just try canceling it and sending it again. No, wait, okay. No, it is this guy. What? I thought it said not enough. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's over there now. What? Oh. Stupid. I thought I removed all of these, man. Wooden oh my goodness. Okay, I did not remove all of them. There's a lot. Give me my doggy charm. Alright, wooden shovel. Molecular. Ah, okay, it was only so many. Also, this really should just be here now. Another creepy noise. Oh, this one I hate too. I hate this one, man. No, stop playing this one. Oh, the chills, man. Okay, 512. 512 EV. Oh no, that's the normal. Okay, stop. 512. Okay, cool. Beautiful base. Hey, thank you, thank you. Blocking isn't all, whatever. Yeah, blocking does exclude circuits and lenses too. Okay, so why was I here again? Why'd I go back? ULV hall. Oh my god, I forgot all my stuff back at the... I have the mod that mutes it, but I don't know what the... Oh, there's straight up a client mod that mutes it? That makes sense. So there would be one. I have a mod to mute specific sounds though. I just can't find what it's called. What's up, Zub? I'm in your home. Again? Like, it's playing this creepy sound again, man. They should really just disable it by default. Like, come on. Okay, we gotta change all of these to one tick again. Okay, done. Okay, so now we say, by the way, yeah, these do have 1 slots in them. So if we put a 64K cell in here, and when it goes to the output slot, it will get taken in by this in 1 tick and pushed out in 1 tick, and it'll move here really fast. So that works. So it's 2 ticks to move. Everything else should be 1 tick to detect, so there should not be anything wrong there. But now, the really jank part comes in. This is a little cursed, maybe? And I have a few things I want to try, because I feel like something like this could work too. Where we do import bus here, redstone card here, and we say, hey, if you're off, then if you have a tiny chest here that has a 64K cell, just put in something, right? And then you'll get put out. If you have a 64K cell like that, we gotta power you again. Which we're gonna need to power every IO port anyway, so maybe we have a wire going through above, right? Because this should work too. It gets put in, everything gets put in here. Oh, no, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. Okay, that's why I didn't do this design. I remember import is into the net, not into that. What am I thinking? We have to, okay, this is what I did before. Because I know this works. I just wanted to think of a cleaner design, but I can't really think of one. Is I have ender conduit here. And this is on redstone off. If there's no redstone, then any cells will get pulled in. All the items go in. Then let's take this out. The circuit gets put into the cell, and then we're just ready to pull out the cell again. And this design should work. Disable the setting. Settings audio. Is it this? Maybe it's just that. Yeah, I think, okay, yeah, we'll just do that. And then, yeah, any cell that finishes here, we just pull it back into the input sides. So that should work. And this is, I really like this design because it is very skinny, right? Like you look at this, it's legit. so skinny, and I wanted to decorate it using glass cover, and we can do lime glass cover or something. Well, actually, I do want it visible all around. Ooh, we should use tinted glass. Can't you turn? Yeah, we can turn this into covers. So if we do this, saw. I'm gonna do it through inventory because sawing through AE is a bit weird. Detects every cover as like the same type. This should be better. Can we put a cover here though? No, because it would block the signal, right? And we can test it with another 64 case. We can test it with empty one. So we'll try putting a bunch of stuff in. So redstone power is 2. So yeah, it shouldn't put in anything. But it still goes in, which it shouldn't have. Yeah, so that doesn't work. So we just have to not put a cover on that end. I mean, if anything, we'll just leave the sides open. If anything, we just don't even put covers here at all. How about that? Okay, no. So we should be good. Like, it just works. TM. Now the question is, how do we make it look clean? It is clean as is, but I really want to build something around it. So we just need to figure that out. Okay, I do think a 3 mentioned, like this, and then we can have like cable coming in through somewhere there. It could be cool. But how do we do that? Test it first? Yeah, true. Okay, let's test it first. Okay, we need to set up the input and output area for all the circuits and cells. So let's do that. Okay, there is also another flaw with this design. It's that you need every single circuit. You can't combine the mixable circuits because of this system right here. There is a way, but I think it's too cursed. So I am just going to do it like this, where we're just going to have 1 circuit per channel. We're going to need a lot of MHS because LCR pretty much going to need like 16 or so. I don't think every circuit gets used in LCR, but we'll pretty much have to design around every circuit. Actually, is there a circuit that doesn't get used in LCR? Does anyone know? Probably we'll just have to build everything. God, what a pain. Yeah, it is universal. Fuzzy card. Okay, that one has nothing. Can I uncraft? No. I take out all the ME chests. Also craft me like 40 ME drive. Oh, I'm a little scared about using ME drive. It shouldn't break, but I am always scared of ME drive once breaking. And the ME drive is technically better, so I think I will try it out. Try it out and find out. So this time we're gonna need a lot of different colored ones, and I think I'm gonna use. We'll use white color for all of them because I think I can make it pretty clean looking. Also, it's passive. Yeah, something like that. Oh, perfect. 9 tall floor. Actually didn't count how tall the floor was. Perfect. 8. I really hope we don't need more than 16. Oh boy. Then we're gonna grab quartz fiber, which I thought I made a lot. Did I cancel it? I think I did. Oh no, it's gonna take so long on this step, man. Okay, let's think out the interface part. Oh, we need dual interfaces, so let's just craft a hundo. We might already have dual interface the flat one. No, we definitely don't. Then, oh, there's just a bunch of batch that just came in. Quartz fiber. Yeah, I'm using the white flux cable because that actually hides the flux. What is it? Quartz fiber, but that could be problem for harder to spot if I missed one. This should be good. So this gives us ME drive per floor. Oh. Okay, it takes out the little knobs, so we can at least just spot that. Which I don't think I see any on top and bottom. Alright, so that should be chilling. Just try powering. And let's grab a dense cable. Oh. Cabling is going to be so bit annoying for this. I didn't even think. Because like disconnect from the side. Yeah, we could. I just have to. Oh no! I forgot. It's not the void. I just have to remove everything. Did I remove quartz fiber? No. Yeah, if we do from the sides, then it's actually one. Oh, so we do have a bit of a problem. Can't you drive? Nope, that's 2.9, not 2.8. So it made a coloring sound. What did it color? It didn't color this, right? Wait, it's 2.8? Wait, what? I swear it was 2.9. Am I going crazy? I mean, it's working. Wait, what? No, there's no way. No, I swear this is not supposed to be on 2.8. Oh, the visuals are 2.8? Bro. That's crazy. Wow. I thought like they added it like 2.8. I was like, wow, that's a really nice feature. How is it only added now? But no, it's just always been a thing. That's crazy. Okay. Let's grab some cables. And we will color this in a bit. Just ignore the mess. Do I have a limes? I know I have a lime spray can because I yoinked one from my own store. Lime and green. Oh, that kind of looks weird. Okay, you know what? Let's actually not do that. Let's do... Oh, right, we can't do white because that would connect. Yes. Let's do dark gray. Because dark gray is pretty hard to tell. Black is pretty much the same as normal color. Yeah, okay, there we go. Now it's looking a bit better. And then we'll have the facade or something to cover that. Okay. Are y'all on? Network tool? Boom. Grab my thingy. That should be mainnet. Should be coming through. Do I have not everything mode on? Everything. Oh, because there's no channels here, duh. Let's grab my tool interface. No color applicator? I do have it, but I just hate scrolling through it. Wait, I could have just done it on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why was I thinking I power everything? Now I want to do it on the side. Shit. I hate when I do something like this, but it's like, oh no, I can't do that. I guess I'll take it down. Oh wait, I can do that. Okay. It's fine. We're learning. And I was like, I was not counting the channels correctly because it's only 1, 2, but it's only every 2 floors. There is 8 channels in them. Yeah, we're easily fine. Okay. Yeah, and that doesn't get connected because colored drives. Why are they zigzag? Because there's actually no reason for them to, because now we know that you can color drives. There's no reason. There's actually no reason. Ah shoot, there is no reason that they're zigzag. Well, to be fair, we didn't know that was a feature until we placed them after. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's more visible this way, maybe. Yeah, I do like the side inputs better. And then the back will just be conduits, because I think we are just going to be using the conduit filter design. Whoa, that is not how I was aiming that. Okay, so let's say, how do I want to do this part? So all of these need power somehow, right? We might just use energy acceptor or something. But EV super cond. Nice, they're all ready now. And we're gonna have IV EV transformers. Is it already on me? Yeah, it's already on me. And I think we're gonna have to go below. I can't really think of a way to make this look clean otherwise. Oh my goodness, like concrete, we walk too fast. Or can we do it from the top somehow? Yeah, we're doing double speed OC. We're going overkill. No, I shouldn't use that. 2x is so cheap, so I don't mind just doing this. right? 4 times 2, 8, 16. We only need to worry about 16 amp per side. Something like that, maybe. We could put... Actually, can you put... I don't know what happens if you put cover. Can you make it connect even though you have a A2 cover? I guess we can test it. Just use this for test. Does that work? Oh, it doesn't work. Wow. Or is it working? It's just visually wrong? I can't tell. Man. Shift right click on the cover. Oh! I've never seen that before. That's so cursed. What the hell is that? That's so weird. Yeah, that's so weird. Good to know, I guess. That's so weird. We're learning, I guess. You discovered it recently too? Yeah, I could... How that... That's such a weird... Honestly, we should take the extra cost to make this look extra clean then. I don't mind that. This is the run where we should use extra cost to make things look extra nice. Actually, we don't even need this S2X. Oh, sure, I need to break that stuff. We just need 1X here. And then we'll do covers between here. Do I want it to be like concrete or do we want some sort of flooring here? Let's at least to cover it up because otherwise I'm never going to cover it. So let's at least cover it up with light concrete, and if I want to do something in the future I can replace it up. But yeah, wow, that is something. Test it first. Well, we gotta power it to test it, so give me a bit. Oh, please tell me you work with the copy paste tool. Oh, my inventory. Oh wait, do you not have redstone card? Yeah. Because it is a cover. Oh, that's so cursed. Wow, that's so cursed. Yeah, that works. Do I have to do both sides or nope, that works. This is like a feature that no one needed, but is very interesting to have. Because it is so much effort to do something to cover it up like this. But hey, very cool for our run. Wow, look at that. That is actually pretty clean. Actually, that is pretty interesting. Oh, we should really use like a factory block here or something, so it looks like it's going through something. Oh, that could be cool. Okay, I will definitely do something like that. Okay, so now we just need to figure out how are we getting things to these chests, right? I think that's it. And we could just go above. And then we can have like some kind of fixture on the ceiling, so it looks like we're carrying this cable over the ceiling, right? Ooh, that's an interesting idea. Because this is like a cabling that's going across the ceiling. You know what? Let's actually grab that right now. Give me my doggy charm. Laboratory. Oh, and I have to exchange out all the ceiling line. Oh my god. I should use Schematica. I should really use Schematica. Oh, this is so much more painful than having to exchange out like one gap apart. Spooky noise. Rat. Block. Yeah, and if this is going across the ceiling, then we can have something to carry the cables. I think that it's gonna be cool. Hey, don't tell me to take a break, system. Then we can just say... Oh, no, it is not too wise to have all of these touching. Because then we'll have to cycle through one color per input. But I personally don't really mind that, honestly. I don't mind that at all. Yeah, I think schematic will be the easiest way to handle something like this. Something like that. Wow. I'd say this is pretty good. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, don't wait a second. Don't wait. Don't wait. Yeah, okay. No. And maybe we can do something like... Oh yeah, it could be cool to use... Oh, what is there like a really... It's just the thinnest drawer we can do. I mean, I think that's good enough. It is a bit weird to see that popping out a bit though. Oh, it would be cool to see like, hey, cells are waiting to go, right? Is there anything else that displays item and might fit nicely here? I can't really think of anything. I mean, we could always just do full drawer like this. Oh, but no, we have to be up here. I can't be on the ground. Then it could be cool to like have something hold this up. So that's like the next cell to go type of deal. I think that could be pretty cool. How much inventory space does the display need to have? One. Just one. The drawer works fine. It could be... do they have a unique ID? How... It could be possible this actually breaks if I do... No, it should... Oh, it could. Oh no, we just tossed... We tossed this in, right? Downgrade. We really want to be foolproof? Yeah, I think the drawer does look nice. I mean, hey man, it's either this. It's either this or this. Which one you guys want to see? Oh my god, it's so stupid. A little piggy on a shelf. Scramble the donation station. I think it's too funny. And then I think I'm just gonna use... actually, yeah, let's just make some bit slopes. Okay. Shove this down here. Alright. Well, that should be it. Now it's time to test. Well, we gotta power this first. Then we'll test. But let's grab some wall markings. Can you put it on? Oh, you can't put it on there. What if I put a thin glass cover? You can't put it. Oh my. Can you put it on the? Oh, you can put it on there. Okay, that might work. Oh, but there's 2 digits. Do you have 2 digits? No. So you need 2 digits. We could... We could do something like this. So you can't put it on clear glass. Is there any glass you can get put on? You can try you can try. Yeah, I wouldn't like to use that. Tinted glass. Use quartz, thorium, yttrium, golden edge, worded, ineffable, vanilla stained, quartz glass. Okay. Hold right and go left. Well, there's actually a good amount. Worded. We're not using worded. Oh, fused quartz actually looks pretty nice. Yeah, I like the color too. Quartz glass has this streak which messes with it. And quite clear, I don't like the color, so we use fused quartz. Fused quartz it is. Okay, can you give me 1,000 more of that thing? Thank you. Metaglass? No, I want it to be a bit visible, I think. Chisel, chisel, chisel. I see it. Oh, you're right. We could try fused quartz cover. Let's try that. Can we even turn it into? Oh yeah, that could be much. Oh. What else was it? Worded and quartz, right? Well, we might have to use quartz glass in the end if this works. Oh, interesting. That's not what I expected. Can you do this? No. Can you do this? No. I think interesting. That's different. Yeah, that's very clear. I think we already tried this, right? Yeah, that's the first thing we tried earlier. But yeah, we can do something like this. We want it a bit off from the drives directly though, but we'll see. Let's just make one of each number. One stack of each number, so we don't have to... Okay, so there we go. And then... do we pad zeros? Maybe? It's like... could work. I don't remember if we used circuit 6 and 7. Oh my god. I think you used 6, but not 7. That time was not intended. That time was actually not intended. I don't remember if you used 7 for anything. Oh my god, I hate... okay, do this. 6. Okay, don't use 6, 7. Nope. Nope, what the hell is this recipe? Never seen that before. I don't think I've ever made ethylene oxide. Sulfuric, we're not using this. We're going to be doing something else in IV, so we don't need 6 and 7. Perfect. We skip 6, 7. That's right. Useless number. Okay, oh, actually, I don't plan to make isoprene. This is needed for this, though, so yeah. Oh, no, it's not consumed, but it is used for dish. Oh, we need it for YSC, okay. Yeah, we need that. There is uraninite, but I don't want to do that. I mean, we could uraninite, but no. 5. Skip 6, 7, 8. Where's 9? Is there circuit 10 in LCR? Yeah, not used. I can tell you that. 11. Oh, this. I'm actually not planning to use this recipe. Isn't it much worse? Yeah, it's so worse. So much worse for no reason. Like, they really should tone this down a bit. Why? Is it a Bartworks recipe? This looks like a GT++ recipe for some reason. This is used for what? Monazite line, which we don't do. Damn, we might be able to skip a ton of these. Oh yeah, yet another one. Isn't this for the thorium fuel shoot stuff? It is actually. Okay, yeah, don't do that. Yeah, we don't need combustion pro. Oh, is it used for a random recipe? Nope, we don't need that. And jet fuel's not used in the higher. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, so we don't need 16. This I think is needed for beamline, right? No, it's used for super glue because we need 17, even if it's a one recipe. This is for Kevlar. Is it Kevlar? I don't know, it's some weird stuff, but I've never used it, so. Oh shoot, what did we need again? I probably should have started putting down stuff we needed. Why did I just continue? Oh god, 10. Nope. Nope. 12, nope. Nope. 14, no, 15. No, 16. Nope. Yes. Wait, we don't even need this many. We don't even need this many then. We can do all the remaining colors, not circuits, and we wouldn't use them all. I guess we can make this stack shorter. So we can say like this PC, whatever thing, isn't as tall as the other one. That could work. Maybe 17, 18. Nope. Yeah, I think that might be the way. 19. Nope. Actually, is this for... What the hell is the point of view? Oh wow, it is actually much faster, but solid acid catalyst. Nope. 20. There isn't even a 20. 21. No. Because for nitric acid, we're gonna do something else. Let's just do it because we have extra. We have extra ones. Wait, I didn't realize you barely use any of these. Wow, DT water. Okay, we're just gonna add it because we have so much extra. 1024 yes. Okay, cool. Wow. What happened to the numbers between there? It is much shorter though than I wanted. I guess that's fine. All right, let's actually test it. So we're gonna put everything away. And grab a lot of 64Ks because yeah, I think I'm gonna be rich on this. Ooh, 4 HV circuits per and a lot of MVs. Let's dump some resources. Oh, I just forgot to do something. LCR uses fluid, so we need to not use steel. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. I forgot to count fluid. So yeah, cell swap design. You don't use dual interfaces. Yeah, you don't use dual interfaces. Yeah, because we need fluid packets. And we also need to handle that, but that should be easy. Yeah, this is why you gotta fully test something when you make a design. Ah, that's gonna annoy me now. Whatever. No one will notice. All right. So using normal interfaces will mean we put fluid packets in instead of fluids in. Okay, we only need first 3, so we're actually just gonna stop there. And let's see, so cells are gonna come here. We need to have a storage bus. We're also, I think we want to do limit insertion for LCR. We're gonna have a decoder. And we're gonna have 4 super tanks. And ideally we use biggest one. If it sends it in batches that's too big, it could break. Ooh, I actually didn't design this far, so I don't think this is gonna look too clean. But we could definitely make it look clean. So let's see. We could do another I/O port. You know what? Let's say we have we're gonna need a sticky card and we're gonna need a fuzzy card. I believe it's something invalid. Yeah, invalid for this one. Fuzzy and sticky. Okay. So there we go. And then this, there's one problem with this, and it's that this guy pulls it in and out, empty cell in 2 ticks. This guy is gonna store the packets into a cell. So let's say we have a decoder here. MEIO port. No, I think we have to do super tank. I don't think we can use fluid cell because it's not faster than 2 ticks. I know it's gonna sound very, very weird because I'm not explaining most of the steps for this part, but let's at least get it designed first because I think it's a bit of a grueling process. But it's gonna need 4 minimum of you, and ideally, ooh, I think this memory card is actually pretty expensive, right? Oh no, that's cheap. Ah, shoot, you need diamond too. What if I cancel you real quick? No, there's no diamond plates. I used all of them. I really should passive diamond plates. Hey, I can go now. Okay, give me my diamond plates. Tell me when you're done though. I don't think we need priority, but let's get that done. EV pump, let's request like 256. Let's get that going too. And then we can send all of it into dual interface. But now we might need ME controller, or we can just do this. Oh, we can still fit it into this cube. Oh my, okay, oh my god, look at this. Fit it into this cube. For LCR, Mega is always better. You just universal on Mega. But on 2.9, you don't even need universals just because there's enough hatches to do everything. Okay, look at this. Okay, then 64K again. Get your priorities straight. So you're gonna start at 0 and increment by 1. 1, 4, full 0, 1, 2, 3. EV pump. Oh, I can't aim at PQ. You keep the priority, right? Yeah, priority 3. And that should be good. Yeah. Well, that's still pretty clean. It's all in this 3x3x2. And this, I don't think I messed anything up, right? The only problem is if we send way too big of a batch. But we should be fine. You can always change this to a bigger tank. Which, honestly, I should do. Can we make these fancy ones? We could if we want to spend extra resources. Which, yeah, only LCR is gonna need the big tanks. So why not use this guy? Let's spend. We have infinite resources. Let's spend infinite resources. I want this like. I want to escape this ugly color to. I mean, like 16 of you. Okay. I thought I patterned all those. Sierra has a growth, yeah. This guy's just chilling though. It also has a piggy on the side. Okay, now we should be good to go. Let's grab all the programming circuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. And do we want to do like crazy amounts starting now? We can start with one of each. Let's do two of each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we should build the loader for the circuits. Does anyone have a good design? Or, oh, you know what? No, we'll try to design it ourselves. I bet we can. That should be a fun process. I don't think I can do that today. Because I do need to end stream within 30-ish minutes. But, okay, well, okay, I thought I had a lot more time, but no. At least we're going to finish this. Where's my 9? 9, 17, 21, 23. Oh, perfect. For now, we shall just use a chest. Boom. Grab a digest. You know, we can at least semi-automate this process. To say, rotate. Yeah, at least semi-automate the process. Right. Why are you going in? Up. I said blacklist 64K. Okay. Blacklist this 64K. It's this stupid I don't know why this happens sometimes. It just has a different thing, which I don't understand. Also, is Hopper gonna put... Oh, it has time to put 2 in. Damn, if it just put 1 in, then that would have been so easy. Ah, shooter. Ah, right. Now we need another ME chest to take this guy out real quick. Does it connect? They're here? Oh, it does. What a jank. Okay, you know what? We should put it in order of circuits. That might have helped my next step. But you know, it's fine. Maybe this sort will do that. No, it did not. We're just gonna have to open every single one. Great. 1, 2. So where are you guys off? Oh, we didn't quartz fiber any other. The below here cannot because it's dense. Okay, everything should be on now. Wait, what? I have one of these are. I have 3 2s. How did that happen? Did I grab 3 2s? Maybe. Huh. Plunk you down for now. Oh, and I can T-search, right? Ah, that one's 17. Okay, you know what? That leaves saves a little bit of sanity. So we don't have to look for the other partner. We can just grab both after looking for one. 21. Top left 21. 9. Five. 4. 23. And then whatever is not filled in. 8. Oh, okay, I guess we skipped 8. It was not 8. It was indeed not 8. We just skipped 8. Yes. Then let's take that out real quick. Put 8 in. Oh, I took it out in time. Okay, perfect. 8 and 8. Okay, now that's good. Let's grab a lot of terminals as a debugging tool. Quartzite screw. Oh, wait, does it use quartzite in here? Yep. Just pattern it. Is that rod pattern? No. Oh. Okay, real quick. Back to base. Is it at least stored in here? Nope, not even. Oh, I just replaced the ore. Okay, we should be good now. Not 6. Give me 6. Is that stuck? Or that should not be stuck. Did I never turn you on? Are we out of hydrogen? No. tungsten, I guess it should just be here. S, oh no, that's LSCR step, okay. Missing channel. What did I add to this part that it's suddenly missing so many channels? 21. Wait, what? Oh, did I put... No, that guy has its own P2P. Or, yeah, own channel. That's the one going into the backrooms. So how is this on 21 and out of channel? Like the 21 is actually going into the P2P. Two outputs. Oh. Oh, that's annoying. Because I accidentally set it to an assigned one. Yeah, everything's used. Okay, that's why. I did not realize. Actually, it might be an unbound one because I remember breaking some. No, I think they're all bound, right? Can't remember what it looks like if it's not bound, but looks like they're all... Don't break my system by hooking up to this. Oh no, it's output. Yeah, oh, is that supposed to say input or output? Well, let's just add more P2P. Let's be safe. We're gonna be not using P2P soon anyways, so... Wireless out of range, right, because my wireless is on that net. We can rename stuff, right? No? Okay, I cannot. Tool station. Yeah, let's go over here. Can I move the quartz fiber? Yes. Surely that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it isn't. I'll keep using... Actually, it doesn't matter what we use. Again, it is pretty temporary until we can just spam wireless terminals soon. I guess I'll put you there. Then we should be chilling. Not a cube. Nope. It's all same net. Yeah, now LCR goes. Also, you were not on container cell. You have a fork up. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, those guys are all good. I think we should be good then. I want to test when I get the tank. Let's go here. I'm gonna start placing... Let's start doing this first. And I'm getting a phone call. Be right back. Okay. Unfortunate news. I might have to go. What? Oh no, man. Oh, and I probably can't stream until Wednesday. Yeah. I kind of have to head out like almost right now. Oh, it's so unfortunate, man. But it should be good. Guys, it should be good. I just needed to add a quartz fiber right here. Like that, and then yeah, it should be good, but really unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, because I still have to add filters and all this stuff, which is just too much work. Okay. Well, I'll finish setting this up. Then I'll mention anything if anything breaks, it should be fine, but yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I should be able to stream again Wednesday-ish. I don't know if it's gonna be long stream again, but yeah. I'll see you guys then. See you guys. Bye-bye.